Hello children, welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School, Udhol. Yesterday we were discussing about the properties of multiplication of integers. So first one, page number 15, that is closer under multiplication. Under multiplication. So from the textbook there are some examples to observe the integers are closer under multiplication or not. So we have to check it. So first one they have done minus 20 into minus 5. 25 is 100. Minus into minus plus. So product is an integer. Okay. Second one minus 15 into 17 is equal to 225. Minus into plus minus. So minus 225 is also an integer. Next minus 30 into 12. 12 zeros are 0. 12 threes are 36. Minus into plus minus. So minus 360 is also an integer. Then 15 into minus 15 into minus 23. Multiplication you have to do. 15 threes are first. 15 threes are 45. 15 twos are 30 plus 4. 34 minus into minus plus is the answer. 345 is also an integer. Next minus 14 into minus 30. Next 12 into minus 30. So now 13 into 14 you have to do. So 13 fours are. If you do 13 14s, you will get 182. Minus into minus plus will be there. So again 12 into 30. 12 zeros are 0. 12 threes are 36. Plus into minus minus. So minus 360 is also an integer. So by saying this is nothing but A into B is equal to C. C should be belongs to integers. So whatever problems we have solved, that all product is an integer. So this formula is satisfied by the integers of multiplication. So integers are closer under multiplication. Okay. Next one, A into B is an integer. For all integers A and B. They have given the conclusion below. This gives us an idea that the product of two integers is again an integer. So we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. In general, A into B is an integer for all integers A and B. Next, commutativity of multiplication. Commutativity of multiplication. So just see the statement 1, statement 2 and interference. Commutativity means what is the property? You know that commutativity. So in generally how we will see that A into B is equal to B into A. So LHS is equal to RHS we should get. So see these examples from the column. So 3 4s are 12 plus into minus minus. So is equal to, we will change the order. Here A and this is B. Here we should take B first. Minus 4 into 3. So what will be the answer? 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus minus. So both answers are same. Yes. So next you have to see in the box they have given inference 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into 3. Next, minus 30 into 12. Again 12 zeros are 0, 12 threes are 36, plus minus into plus minus. So next what will be the answer? It here this side 12 into minus 30 is equal to minus 360. So here in this third column what we have to do write is, so minus 30 into 12 is equal to 12 into bracket minus 30 you have to write. Next, minus 15 into minus 10 is equal to 10 5s are 50, 5s are carry, 10 1s are 10 plus 5, 15. So 150 minus into minus plus. Here minus 10 into minus 15 is also 150. So next the inference 150 into minus 10 is equal to minus 10 into minus 15. So this is like A into B is equal to B into A. Here see, this is A into B, this is B into A. So that is equal to, we have written. Next, minus 35 into minus 12 is equal to 420. So minus 12 into minus 35 is equal to 420. So minus 35 to minus 12 is equal to minus 12 into minus 35. Next, minus 17 into 0 is equal to 0, because this is multiplication with 0 of integer. So whatever you multiply any integer, if multiply with 0 you will get the answer 0. Here 0 into minus 17 is equal to 0. So minus 17 into 0 is equal to 0 into minus 17. Next, minus 15 into minus 1 is equal to 15. So they have given here minus 1 into minus 15 is equal to 15. This is multiplicative identity. Whatever integer, if you multiply with 1, you will get the number itself. 15 ones are 15, minus into minus plus. Here also say multiplicative identity into 15. So you will get 15 minus into minus plus. So minus 15 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into minus 15. You also write these all things in your textbook and as well as in fair notebook. Next, page number 16. What are your observations? So these are the observations. The above example suggests multiplication is commutative under multiplication. So multiplication in is commutative for integers. Okay. So that A into B is equal to B into A. So this is the commutative property of multiplication. So So first one was closure property, that is a into b is equal to c, that belongs to integer. Now a into b is equal to b into a. This is also an integer. Next property is, according to your book, multiplication by 0. Next, just now I told you here. So multiplication by 0. Multiplication by 0. So go to the examples. Minus 3 into 0, you will get 0. Then minus 4 into 1, 1 into minus 5, 1 into minus 6. So 1 into 5, 1 into 8, 3 into 1, 7 into 1. It may be negative integer or a positive integer. If you multiply with 0, you will get, so there are only 4, not these all. So minus 4 into, I have written wrong, minus 3 into 0. Next 0 into minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 5 into 0 is equal to 0 into minus 6 is equal to. You multiply any, however, with 0, you will get answer 0. So 0 is not a negative or positive, it is constant. So the general formula we can tell that a into 0 is equal to 0, or 0 into a is equal to also 0. A is nothing but any integer. So this is the general formula of multiplication by 0 of any integers. So the formula is a into 0 is equal to 0 into a. So multiplication with 0. Next, multiplicative identity. So already I told additive identity. So any number, if we add with any number, so number should not change. So additive identity is 0 because 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So number remains same. Like that, multiplicative identity, what is that? Any integer multiply with any number, we should get again a only. So 5 minus 5 into any number, I should get again minus 5. So that identity is nothing but 1. Okay? Just see the examples from book. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 4 into 1 equal to minus 4. 1 into minus 5 is equal to minus 5. 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Our positive integer also same. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 7 into 1 equal to 7. So this one is called as multiplicative identity. These answers you have to write in your textbook. Wherever blank is there, you have to fill all the answers. So general formula, a into 1 is equal to a is equal to r1 into a. This is multiplicative identity. Multiplication with 0. This is commutative property. This is closure property. Next, a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Okay. Down also there are some examples. Solve those. Then associative property. associativity of for multiplication. What is associativity? I told you already, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So if A and B, C are the integers, 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. So 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. So first I will multiply this and I will next multiply to this. So associativity we have to check. 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. Here 1 is outside. First this bracket we should remove. 2 into 3, 6, minus into minus plus. Now 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus. 6 1s are 6. LHS is equal to RHS. So integers, this is the associativity of integers. By this we can tell that like whole numbers, the product of three integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers, and this is called the associative property for multiplication of integers. Okay, they have given some problems, so that blanks are also there. You have to complete those. I'll write those problems here. See, 7 into minus 6 into 4 is equal to what it has to be. This bracket we should remove. Here what it has to be, 7 6 42 plus into minus minus into 4. See, 42 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, minus into plus minus. So another one thing, 7 into minus 6 into 4, we should do the multiplication of this. So 7 is into as it is, 6 4s are 24, minus into plus minus. So multiply this, 24 7s are 168, minus into plus minus. So we got both the times same answer. So this is associativity of integers in multiplication. And so the formula of this general formula, A into B into C, A into B into C, or else you can write A into B into C. The grouping of multiplication, however it has to be, no problem. So it obeys the associativity of integer or property in integers, that is multiplication. So associativity is A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, this is associativity of for multiplication. Then distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property. What is distributive property? So A into B plus C is equal to, this is also an integer, or A into B minus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So A into B, this is minus A into C. This is distributive property of integers. So A, B, C are the integers. If we, instead of multiplication, if we do A into B plus A into C, that will be equal to both the sides, A into B minus A into C. So let's check some examples. I'll take A as a minus 3, B as 2, C as 5. So minus 3 into B is 2 plus 5. Okay, let's see this. A into B. So AB minus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 5s are 15, minus into plus minus. Just see the answer, minus 5. This is minus 15. So 21 minus into minus. So like this, I'll tell you one more easiest answer question. Take from the book. A question I'll take. Minus 2 into 3 plus 5. So minus is equal to minus 2 into 5 plus 3, 8. 8 2s are 16 plus into minus, minus. Yes, minus 16 and minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 is equal to minus 6 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 16. So this satisfies the distributive property. If you know the property, we can multiply the integers very easily. So our general formula is A T plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, or A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is associative, this is distributive, that is A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, or A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. So with the help of these properties, we can do the multiplication easily. Next, making multiplication easier. So by using these all things, properties, these all properties helps us to do the multiplication so easy. Find 16 into 2. 16 into 12. This is the question. So which property can we use to simplify this? We can use distributive property. So 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So this is in the form of A into B plus C. So this can be written as 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. So 16 tens are 160 plus 16 twos are 32. So you can add this 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 6 9 and 1. 192 is the answer. So like that we can use second problem also. Third problem, minus 23 into 48. How can we do this? This question can be do like 23 into 48 can be written as 50 minus 2. So A into B minus C. AB into minus AC. So minus 23 into 50 minus again minus 23 into 2. So 23 50s are 23 0s are 23 5s are 23 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 So 1115 minus into plus, minus is the answer. Minus. Next we have to multiply 23 twos are. 23 twos are. So this is minus 23 twos are 46. Minus into plus, minus is the symbol. Next thing, minus 1150 minus into minus plus 46. If you do this, minus 1150 plus 46 you will get. So the answer will be here minus 1150 plus 46. So minus and plus two different signs you have to subtract. So minus 46. 10 minus 6 4. 5 minus 5 0. 1 1. So the answer is minus 1104, because this is the big number. So big number sign we have to write for the answer. So minus 1104 is the answer. These properties why we will use, to make the multiplication little easy. Okay, tomorrow in this we will write the next, try these questions also, and we will solve 1.1. So you have to read just from the try these. Example 2, they have given 3 questions as well as they have solved also, solution also they have given. And just you go through this, read this, and how they have solved, you just go through it. Next, example 4 also they have given, example 5 with the solution they have given. Just observe and try to solve in your rough book. And tomorrow's class, I will solve exercise 1.3 on the board, and you also write these things in your fair notebook. Okay? Thank you.